Go.
Hey guys, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Lily.
And we're back with another video.
And today we are
Making
slime with balloons.
So we have our ingredients in these balloons.
And one glue is going to be clear glue and one glue is going to be white glue, so it's going to be cool to see which one gets clear glue.
And we don't know which the clear is in or the white.
So let's
pop
right in this video.
Okay, so we're going to start with our glue.
We have our scissors here ready to pop.
Set, go.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. Go.
Ready?
Oh my gosh. That was a mess. Oh, you got the clear. That's awesome.
I got clear glue. That means you get to pick the dye.
Yay.
Now it's all over my arms. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we're gonna do our shaving cream. Set,
go. Go.
oh my
That was
gosh.
epic. Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Mine like landed right perfectly.
Same. Mine's perfect.
And we are gonna mix some. This is really messy. I didn't think it would be this messy.
I know.
It's gonna be really fluffy.
Yeah, there's a lot of shaving cream.
Yes.
Alright, next is our food dye.
Yeah.
I get this one.
Okay. Ready,
Set, go. Go. Oh my gosh. That looks awesome. It is a bunch of sprinkles and everything. Whoa, go. I'm
I
scared
don't
to
want
go.
to make a mess.
Go, go, go. Oh my gosh.
This is so
Oh,
messy.
some got in mine. That looks awesome. Look.
Yeah, I see it.
Go. Mix.
Mix.
Oh, mine's like a mint green type of color. Yours is kind of good.
Mine's really dark.
There's a lot of shaving cream in this.
Oh, my hands are so sticky because of all the glue.
I know. Mine's turning in more to a green.
Mine's like a pinkish color right now.
Yeah.
Are you done mixing it?
Not yet. Mine's like a mint green. It's a very light green, as you can barely see. If you can see in the camera.
That
All right.
was awesome. I was
Woo.
scared about the coloring.
Okay. Next is glitter.
Glitter? Okay.
Oh no.
This won't be good.
Here it goes. Ready? Ready? Oh no, gosh.
Oh, I got green.
You got a lot in there. I got red.
Look.
Alright, mix. Wait, I got a balloon.
Mine looks so cool. Look at that.
Oh, it looks awesome. Oh, I gotta take that out. Oh.
This is so messy, guys.
We're doing this for you.
Yeah.
A lot of my glitter landed on the table.
Oh. You can see this.
It's like white with little red dots in mine.
This is cool.
It's like a snowman slime.
Hopefully there's not too much shaving cream, because sometimes if you add too much shaving cream, it doesn't form really right.
Alright,
We're
next
gonna add
is
our
activator.
activator. Ready, steady, go. Go.
Oh my gosh!
Lily, you haven't missed your face. Am I a mess? Is my face a mess?
Not really. Mine's already forming because of all the activators.
Yay. Mine is too. Let's see. Ooh, it's so fluffy.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
It is. Oh, I
Very
keep
fluffy.
mixing though. It's very sticky.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get it off the wall
messy.
of the bowl. This is an update on my slime.
This is my slime.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get stuff off the wall of my bowl.
I wonder if you can put this on the table. So
Yeah.
It should.
I'll pick up the glitter off of the table. It's not
We're gonna put it on the table.
Oh, mine's sticky.
Oh, it's so fluffy. It's kind of rippy since there's so
Same.
much shaving cream.
Yeah, there's a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah. And a lot of activator. I think we might have activated it too much.
Yeah. Oh,
It might be good. I don't know.
we're gonna have to keep kneading it and working with it.
Yeah. Oh, it's so sticky.
And it's hard because we didn't get half of the ingredients into the bowl.
Since you got clear glue, yours should be glossy like.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to get most of it off my fingers so I can start kneading it better.
You can't hear the poke.
Yeah, it's not clicky.
It's
A little
very
bit.
fluffy. That's why it's not very clicky.
Mine's coming together more. Oh.
Mine is like together, it's just really rippy. See?
Yeah. It's because of all the shaving cream.
Yeah. It is a mess around here.
Nothing got on the wall. That's
good. Or on the floor.
Some of the glue got down on this down here on my apron though, but that's fine though.
At least we didn't get our shirts that messy.
Yeah.
If you watched our last video,
Our Christmas video, make sure you go check that out. We got some new shirts.
that I got us. Oh. You can see
it's
the
coming
glitter
together
more.
more.
Yeah,
You can see the clear base. Mine's just a little sticky.
Yeah. Yours isn't that glossy.
I know.
I'm surprised.
I think because of like it's so much shaving cream.
We're gonna come up close to the camera and show you guys it. This is my slime. You can see the glitter in it.
I have a bunch on my glasses. I can feel it up there or see it.
See it?
My arm.
You have it looks like blood spots on your face because of the red.
Oh no.
I think, yeah, the red glitter.
That's not good. I need to wipe off my glasses.
It's coming together way better. It's just
Oh, this is
little
bad. That it's on my face. It's coming together. It's like a Christmas slime.
yeah, it pretty much is.
Yeah. And comment down below when you guys started break and when you guys end your break.
For Christmas.
The clear, it's sort of, you can't really tell the clear base, that's how it's clear based. It's coming together way more better because it stretches better.
Yeah.
Okay, let's swap slimes real quick.
Okay.
Ooh,
Fluffy.
I like the color.
Yours is very Christmassy. It's like a white with just red in it.
Yeah, red dots. It's like a
You
mint.
can't really see the green.
Yeah, it's like a mint green, like a very, very light mint green.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting pink in it.
It's cool.
It's cool, bro.
It's cool. It's just so
It's not
rippy.
the best because it's so fluffy.
Yeah.
But maybe if we let it sit for
It's
a
pretty
while.
thick also. I like the thickness. It is stretchy if you stretch it slow.
Yeah. It's slime.
Yeah. Okay. You can keep working with yours. Okay, guys. So if you guys like our slimes, comment down below who slime won.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys in the outro.
Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we did making it. And make sure you guys tune in with us next time.
And make sure to
Subscribe.
like this video.
Give it a big thumbs up.
And make sure to push the notification bell to be part of our
Notification squad. And make sure you guys share this video with your friends. Bye guys. We love you. Peace out.